to live news viral le chen khatte Spain BUAINA Spain ram chung Ceuta rama Morocco tang ten tam tak lut an oma chung chu kan en ho le ang Moroccan Arab refugees invade Spain over 40 kills 40 kills anti kan en à suy vắc rồi.
Our top focus tonight on Gravitas. Around 60,000 migrants have entered Spain's Ceuta from Morocco in the past 24 hours. Several
Darker som ni pali chungin 6,000 above tam le Morocco atang tele tiang kan North Africa mar lama tang te hianin Ceuta Spain ram chunga Ceuta khwa tiang hianin migrant tam tak hi tuna hanan lut mek mai ni tam takan ni 6,000 around to tam takan ni he illegal le nga dan phal lovin mo an lut na sa le mai ni
have died attempting the crossing, and this mass crossing has triggered shock and division in Europe. The situation has been described as absolutely unsustainable by the president of Ceuta as this tiny territory security the border from Morocco in several ways. In fact,
hey chu an border fencing atang ten an don liam ani hi khai an pui le mai eng tin nge tiang me ma an no lu na chan hi nia ti tai la a chan chu Europe lama an tan lu ol sam mai ni heng ho tan hian ni Europe lama het ega tinge ei son na te khatiang ang kung kha ako zaw mai ni chu wang chu mi tam takhi tiang hian ni Morocco tang hian in an North Africa tang te hian Ceuta lam ma hen te han non lut hum mai ni force te po hian in an control so lo chu ni hi an prime minister berla chu eng vak ma ala soi lo ni om takani.
some of those who died had drowned, but some were also reportedly killed in a stampede to cross a breakwater fence. That's the level of desperation that some of these people have been going through just to make their way, risking their lives. In fact, the waters near the border fence, littered with boys, shoes, other belongings left behind. The border...
Tam takan ni. At le nan ron tle lu tan ru talom le. An ram chunga hian enge a har savia wo mi le ma ni ram chunga the du lo ko pa hetia han chua san mai chu tro.
Prices boiled over with security forces clashing with the migrants on the Moroccan side of the border. Footage of the border early showed hundreds of migrants gathered on a hill overlooking Ceuta being dispersed with tear gas by the Moroccan forces, while others continued to swim to the Spanish territory. The Moroccan forces beat back crowds reportedly.
Force the po here in take top and chua ve thau ni he. Tiang khari gas te po kha tiang han gas mang tiang khari force te po nan ron tang ve na sani mar chu mun sang atang khan ti khan an ron tle lut na sa maya chen ka theta border fencing atanga border fencing te an lon dia ma chen ka theta tui shi tui pu atang ten o son atang ten an ron ka kai boka tiang khan atle in an ron tle hum mai chun ni ania dan sen chu a har ve deu tur ni force lam tan po hianim tharum tin thi te point om no to mai ni henga wang te po hiani.
The gates to Ceuta, trying to prevent more from storming across into this tiny Spanish territory.
tắm tắc ăn nè tùy bùi cầm à chân tùy bùi cầm à chân.
Now, just to help you understand this better first, geographically speaking, this is the area that we are talking about, the location. That's Ceuta. That's the part that we are
Hey, Ceuta. So tiya kan huang son Spain, Ceuta, Morocco, Melilla, aoma. So ti son Morocco tang sonin Ceuta son pana. Ceuta hi Morocco border bula omania Spain territory chunga Spain ram chunga omsim Morocco boundary borders naya aoma. Chuan mitam takhi he chulam pan sonin ando lut ta hom mai ni migrant here.
northern coast, as you can see. This, in fact, is separated from mainland Spain by the Strait of Gibraltar and has long been a focal point for migrants attempting to reach Europe. Ceuta and Melilla trace their Spanish past to the crossing the border from
Enla. Hey. Arem na ta hen an kal kai an lon liam chu ni hi. He ta first step hen an ru ka chen ka ti chu. Ti ngai na vak pui sa lo ni mai the ni. An tam mai si 6,000 sang ruk chuang an lu to nia tam ta kan ni.
Morocco have been young, mainly men, although there are also women and children in the crowds and even babies.
Oh. Now pang te pon nu mei chia nu now te ti thalai an nok mai ni. Ron pem lu te hi. Ui tak an ni.
Let's just break down for you the numbers first. What's the population of this place that we are talking about? The recent arrivals reportedly amounted to around 70% of the city's population. The population sits at around 83,000, over 83,000, according to the latest local figures. So we are looking at about 70% of these people, around 60,000 migrants basically, that entered Spain, Ceuta from Morocco in
70%. Recent arrival around 70% of city's population. Oh, 70% an lu to jon han ngai to la. Alang 30% vel chau. Omangan ni to don ni su. Pui he ba tam zo ki an lu to ni. Ceuta ai ani. Tam to ta kan ni. Boi thak ve view to chu ni. Spain sarkar tan po hianin tiang khanin an mani lo tuam lo ngai don boxi chen na in turvel an lai lok ang turvel po hi boi thak deu tu ni sarkar Spain sarkar po hi an boi view chu ka ring ani
24 hours. So that's about 70% of the city's regular population. It's a staggering number. Next, how exactly did things even reach this point? Let's just explain this to you. The authorities in Ceuta and Madrid have linked this border search to a recent decision by Spain's Supreme Court that ruled migrants arriving by sea could not be summarily deported, unlike those who crossed by land or climbed the border fence. Pedro Sanchez said migrant smugglers misinterpreted the ruling. According to him, it appears that this interpretation of the Supreme Court's ruling spread like wildfire over the past few hours through the networks of human trafficking organizations, he claimed, triggering this kind of mass surge.
Khatiang khani tam tak khian engwanga lo lut nge an ni ti hi abul fuk taka soi he harsa ai mema human trafficking wangte an ni a then khachu an economics thalawa economics thazo a bar thazo kan du wanga laya Ceuta lam panaron pem lut an ni a heta Europa lu a ol samzo ka wangin an tan e zon na a that zo ka wang le e zon na kong a kwa ka wang zo po a lo lut te an ni ti te pon an soya soidang rang te po hi oma hi anyam eng po chu ni sela heng tianga ron lut hum mai hi illegal dan phal lo ani a tiang khan heta North Africa tangte ania tam tak hi Africa mar atangten tiang khan Morocco atangten tiang khan Ceuta rama henan lut hum ta mai chunia thil boi thak ve deu tur chuni he thil hi tuna hianin thi te po hi tam tak chomek to heng boi na awang te hian tam takin nuna an chan boka tiang khanin tunai an boi mai ani.
In fact, he also blamed human smugglers for the crisis, saying, quote, they deceive so many young people and ultimately lead many of them to their deaths. Whether in the
at least 657 migrant died attempts in the crossing. At least 657. At lembera so mi so nga pasari eljo migrant te hi thi to henga wang henan thi to ani antini thi hi ai pun la tam mai theini chan chu boina a lo thei lo tiang zo za ya chuani
ocean, or as in this case at Spain's border in the autonomous city of Ceuta. But some activists disagree. Some activists in Morocco in fact expressed doubt that the ruling was behind the surge. They argue most migrants would have been unaware of such legal decisions. Let's tell you more about what's unfolded in just the last 24 hours on the ground. Pedro Sanchez even visited Ceuta.
Tiang khan ya mi hring te hi ni engwanga ma ni ram chunga du lo nge kan ni mom thil tam tak theyang a chunga hian har satna nge an to tam tak hi kan chet pui vek to na chugin an tan le in bar zone har sa te poni theya thil fel lo thil dik lo te po oma wanga tianga ram thasok le mun thasoka pem lu tha kal lu te po ni theya chen khate tun line in dona Middle East boina na sa Middle East boina wang te pon yang khan ramdanga tam tak ral tan te refugee te nan oma tuna mi te hi chu engwanga lut nge an ni ti kha tam tak kha apul fuk tak kha an soi le thelewa tiang khan ania tam tak kha an lu thum hum mai ni Ceuta rama hian han Spain sarkar tan po hian thil boi thak deu tur chu ani hey ve thuk chu Iran le US boina tlem kan thil ho le lo kong Iran destroy US F-35 jet antia chu kan en ho zoya kan react le zoya.
Iran's Mahan Air. Washington says the network helped say more mammoth remains. That's become the rhythm of the West Asia war. In the latest, Iran claims it destroyed American fighter jets. Washington says that never happened. Iran's Revolutionary Guard says it targeted the US Al Azraq air base in Jordan with ballistic missiles. The IRGC claims 3 US F-35 fighter jets were destroyed, while 3 others were heavily damaged. It also claims several officers along with technical and maintenance staff were killed in the strike. According to Iran's state broadcaster, the attack was carried out in response to US strikes on Iran's Qasem Island.
Iran thupong tu te hianin US F-35 jet an kap thaveka te chuan Jordan an mun Al Azraq mun kha anti chevek tin Iran thupong tu te lam hian an soya an mun pui then katte mania mesai langka chua khanin an kap chia anti chia ani din an thupong tu te henan pong thung ani.
The IRGC said its missiles hit the deployment ramp and maintenance hangar where the F-35 aircraft was stationed. Iran maintains the strike caused significant damage to the base.
Iran hian missile an kap choka Jordan US mun pui ti chiat tumin an mani jon kan ti chia an ti ti hen video footage jon khatte pon ron ti langa chu ti mek la jon US lam thu pong tu ve thunga ro jon engma kan ti chelo engma ti chiat omlo an target hi fu lo ni ti in an soi ve thunga ni an ka chho live video nia an ka chho live video nia
The battle of missiles quickly turned into a battle of narratives, as Iran's claims were met with a sharp rebuttal from Washington.
No U.S. aircraft were destroyed or damaged in recent attempted Iranian attack.
No U.S. aircraft were destroyed or damaged in recent Iranian attack. All missiles and drones were intercepted or failed to reach target areas. Ante ve thungani US lampang hian Iran lampang ten chiat takinan no soi ve boxi kan ti chenge mai an hun puite an jet kan ti chia ti in thuno pongwa US lamin an ti chelo an area an target hi an chel ani ante ve thungani apui chho hem khop mai US le Iran boy na he ai mung chho me kani tu na hiani
All missiles and drones were intercepted or failed to reach targeted areas.
Why does the loss of an F-35 matter? Each aircraft costs well over $100 million. That's one reason. But there's another.
100 million dollar ban jet fighter ka enga tingia boxi ani chuan ti vel atlat mai thupong tu hian mo US fighter 100 million dollar man ka about lat ani chu tu na hian US lam thupong tu ten Iran lamin an kap chelo anti boxi an attack fu lo anti boxi a fu lo si chon khoyange omta ka ha jet F-35 bota ka $100 million man lai alani zui atam hem le metro apui hem le me ke ni ang tu sabi do peta sila chamai tu ne na tiang kha ne an thu a hi enge mo chu sep chu o mani khoi lam nge a khoi lam thu pong tu nge tikla Iran lam thu pong tu nge tikla wa US lam thu pong tu ti kha ril ruwa chon atu ta ni chu le lamin an ti chiat ngay thu an ron soya video then kha ten ron da lang boka US la chen an lo phave boxi tro ingwa nge ni angle
The F-35 is one of the world's most advanced stealth fighter jets. It is designed to evade enemy radar while carrying out a wide range of combat missions. This gives its pilots capabilities that few adversaries can match. If Iran's claim holds up that the US faces not just a military setback, but a financial and strategic one. This escalation followed attacks on neighboring countries alongside Jordan as well. In Kuwait, Iran's Revolutionary Guards claimed they destroyed 2 drone hangars and a fuel storage facility at the US Ali Al Salem Air Base. But these attacks did not happen in isolation. They followed a fresh wave of US strikes inside Iran. According to Iranian media, US missiles struck multiple locations in southern Iran, including a house on Qasem Island, as well as areas near the southwestern city of Abadan. The rhetoric from Tehran was just as sharp. Iran's parliament speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf warned that United States would pay the price for the killings on Qasem Island. He also linked the incident to earlier US strikes. According to Iranian authorities, those strikes killed at least 170 people at a primary school in Manab and at least 24 others at a sports hall in Lamad. The Iran war has been costly for the US. A congressional research service report documented that the US had lost or damaged
Iran hian an lo puang chiang pok mai sia hai ti hian 42 aircraft lost or damaged in Operation Epic Fury. Congressional report says US military lost or damaged at least 42 aircraft in Iran conflict caused in $298, rising concern over Operation Epic Fury stages and oversight. Iran lampang tu te hen pong na sa US mun tam tak kha Jordan te heta Kuwait te nasatakin nanti chia video footage se pon ron tilanga atak ani emero chu keinin kan chiang lova yang hianin lelamin nan thu pon dan hi adik melfu lain US lamin engma ti che ta ni lo te engma kha an tar ke ta fu lo ani thu te kha an ron soi ve boka Iran lam te la hian an ti che thu te an sipai then khat te le an sipai officer te an thi thu te an ron puang boka khatyang kha kan tun nai khovel news su ani noi maya khovel middle east boy na hi asang so se la tu na hi ani ke ni India ra ma chuanin BUAINA lian tham em kan la nei lewa tuilian ti vel te le protest mania protest ti vel lo ka chu tiang ha kan ni chu wang chuanin news react kharnan ring tu te hi kan van nei le maya tu na hianin kan nun hi aral muang maya indo thom te chu shemaila kan rama tiang hian tlai India ram chunga chuanin tiang thom kan la shelawa chu wang chuanin kan nun hi kan film kur pui angai ya kan in rin reng hi angai ni ti hi kan theta poi mo ma heng song song hi bible ina asoi ninu nunga te chuan indo thu te la shi anga indo thom te la shi anga tiang khan bible na mi shi lo khi tu na hena thleng chho me kani nat na tam ta thleng chho me ka tingang khanin bible na thil asoi hi a thleng chho me ti hi kan theta poi mo chu wang chuan in ring ringa kan tong try hi a poi mo success ani ti kha news react pa in atop kharnan kan lo soi ve du ani ti chon ka video ti hi khongain min no like sakve ula hype te kha min no ti sakve ula subscribe te comment te kha min lo ti sakturin khongai na ka ti le ni kha jong kha tun chuma news kan ri akho thei chon ni